Shielded metal arc welding, SMAW, often referred to as stick welding, is one of the most commonly used and versatile welding processes. Known for its simplicity, ruggedness, and portability, SMAW is widely applied in industries such as construction, shipbuilding, pipeline work, and heavy equipment repair. It involves the use of a consumable electrode that is coated in flux, which protects the weld area from contamination and stabilizes the arc during the welding process. SMAW has been used for over a century and remains a trusted method, particularly in fieldwork and outdoor applications where conditions can be harsh and where more complex equipment may not be practical. The basic principle behind SMAW is the creation of an electric arc between the metal workpiece and a consumable electrode. This arc generates the intense heat required to melt both the electrode and the base metal, forming a molten weld pool. As the electrode melts, it deposits filler metal into the joint. At the same time, the flux coating on the electrode decomposes due to the heat of the arc, producing a gas that shields the weld pool from atmospheric gases such as oxygen, nitrogen, and hydrogen. This shielding prevents oxidation and other contaminants from entering the weld. Additionally, the flux forms a layer of slag on top of the weld as it solidifies, further protecting the molten metal from air contamination and helping to shape the weld bead. This slag must be chipped or brushed away after the weld has cooled. One of the biggest advantages of SMAW is its simplicity and minimal equipment requirements. The process uses a constant current power supply, typically delivering direct current, DC, or alternating current, AC. The equipment includes a welding machine, an electrode holder, stinger, ground clamp, and the electrodes themselves. No external shielding gas is required, which makes SMAW especially useful in outdoor environments where wind can disperse shielding gases used in other welding methods like MIG or TIG. This independence from external shielding gas also makes the equipment setup less complex and more cost-effective. The type of electrode used in SMAW has a significant impact on the quality and characteristics of the weld. Electrodes are categorized according to standards such as the AWS, American Welding Society, classification system. For example, an E6010 electrode is commonly used for deep penetration and fast freeze characteristics, making it suitable for vertical and overhead welding. On the other hand, E7018 is a low